Hi and welcome to ImmersionRC, and very excited with a little package from Amazon today, and getting straight in, put that to one side. Today we're unboxing the Vortex 180 Mini. So this is going to be my second drone, FPV drone, and so I'm quite excited about the aspect of this. I've been using the Fury B Dart Max, just starting to get used to the goggles, having the Fat Sharks, being able to, turn and move the drone in whatever direction I need to. So really starting to learn a lot about that. Obviously I'm still a beginner, and this will be a great addition to that, and quite easy to set up. These, obviously there's a lot of YouTube videos about this, so yeah, let's get straight into it. So I got this on sale and thought I'd pick it up, and in the box you've got your instructions, only a very small little booklet for instructions. The setup on this is supposed to be very simple. You don't need a computer or to plug it into USB. You just basically go through the different the wizard that is on this when you start the system, and you go through the different commands on the OSD display, the left, right, full throttle and so forth, and it basically calibrates. So in the box, get some couple of sets of props, so that's good that comes in. We get some ImmersionRC stickers, and they've got their own community, Facebook and so forth. And in here you get Fat Shark omnidirectional antenna, so that's already in there. And in here you get the leads for different receivers, whether you're using FrySky or Futaba or Spectrum. I'm going to be using my DX6, so all the different bits and pieces come there. You get a couple of bands for your batteries. It's quite good actually, because it's got discharged or charged on the band, so you know which batteries that you've used. And here is the drone. So it comes with X-Nova 3500 kV motors, so going to be quite quick. It's only a 180 size drone. The other drone I had was a 220, the Fury B Dart Max, and some great components in this as well. So I'll put in the description some of the components and some of the specs, but just quickly, suitable for 3 or 4S. It's got 4-inch props. It's compatible with DSMX, iBus, SBus, PPM. It's got built-in video transmitter already in. It's got 16 amp ESCs, and it's only roughly 300 grams including the battery at 4S. I'll start off with 3S with this until I get used to it, and flight controller and so forth. Everything's in there ready to go. So all I need to add is a small little mini receiver and the batteries, and put the props on and you're ready to go. So quite excited about this. The main thing with FPVs, it's not until you actually have a go with FPV you start to really get immersed on being in the cockpit of a plane, drone, or a delta wing or so forth. So, you know, I'm really enjoying the FPV journey. So we'll have a little maiden flight with this, and hopefully I'll do well. Okay, see you soon.
Don't want a complication.